Biceps are the ultimate vanity muscles that demonstrate strength no matter the circumstance. We always want to flex and show them off. But what if I told you that only chin-ups can give you biceps like kangaroos? Yes, it's an exercise most gym bro overlook for biceps development, probably because it's hard, but not anymore, because today I'm going to reveal the magic behind chin-ups for bicep gains, from the science to the practical side of it, so you can host your own gun show. Let's pull ourselves into it. The first thing we have to understand is the bicep heads and how they work. So I want you to imagine your biceps as a dynamic duo, the long head and the short head working together to get you these coveted peaks. The long head steals the show, originating near the shoulder to create that iconic bicep peak when flexed. But it needs a trusty sidekick, the short head. Rising from the shoulder blade, this one adds depth and thickness to your biceps. Together they help you pull and lift things with forearms and also supination, which is key for chin-ups. And so forth. In second, I'll tell you why chin-ups are one of the greatest hypertrophy exercise for your biceps right now. So compared to isolation exercise where gym bros seems to gravitate towards to build their biceps, the chin-ups are a compound movement. Therefore, it's always better to start with compound movements because you do have the energy for it, and then you can move on to isolation exercise to really narrow the gains down. Now the chin up and its underhand grip is like the best thing there is to really target your biceps like nothing else on earth. It's going to hit both the long head and short head intensely, especially when you can't cheat and you do full range of motion. Not convinced? That's normal. I haven't showed you my ultimate technique. To destroy your biceps for the greater good, here's how it should go. With palms facing inward, grab the bar at shoulder width apart or even closer. The closer your hands are, the more biceps fiber it recruits. Also, make sure your thumbs are rolling under the bar. If not, well, you're falling into a false grip, meaning you're gonna target more your lats. From there, completely lift yourself off the ground to rely only on your arms tension. If you lack the flexibility, you can keep a slight elbow bend at the starting position. From there, before pulling up, I want you to retract and depress your scapula to help narrow the tension into your biceps. Now pull yourself by dragging your elbows down. If the bar is high enough, I want you to drop your feet forward. Then tense your abs and glutes to protect your spine. Your head should either be straight or a little bit upward. A chin up is, well, technically done when you do have the chin over the bar. But if you want to make it harder though, you're more than welcome to bring your chest to the bar. While going down, don't drop yourself completely. Keep controlling the movement and feel the mind and muscle connection. Once you've reached the starting position, repeat. If chin-ups are too hard, you can always do negative chin-ups where you get a step or you jump and hold simply to the eccentric part of the movement, meaning where you're going down. A simpler variation is to simply hold your chin up at the end of the movement, which I really like to do as a finisher because it destroys the last healthy muscle fiber in the biceps. Another alternative that I really love is doing bodyweight biceps curls, since you can do them anywhere, at home, at the gym, at the calisthenics parks, you're good to go. You just have to grab a stick, put it between two chairs or even a low bar, and you are going to curl your body with almost only your biceps. Make sure your scapula is retracted and depressed, and think about hitting your forehead with the bar itself. That will make you nail this movement. Speaking of foraging biceps, if you're skinny or skinny fat guy wanting to get strong in the next month, then I want you to scroll down below, click the first link and go grab my free course, Skinny to Strong in 30 days, that will lead your way into fitness with calisthenics. Then if you're curious about your physique and you want to know your strength, your weaknesses and what you should focus on, then I want you to scroll down below, click the second link and go fill the freaking Google form, and I'll get in touch with you real soon. That's it guys, you're now armed for your own gun show with the chin-ups. I'm wishing you the best gains in your biceps so you get to achieve the size of a kangaroo's arms. Also, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any wisdom regarding fitness and tutorials. This was Nick Lab. Here we never peak because the best is yet to come. Peace out!